the people who had it worse than you. Every problem has its solution. It's up to us to choose whether to let it eat us alive or to get up and do something about it. While making the decision, include the thoughts of your family in it. Everything that you do will affect them as well. Give a big round of applause to